Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of the last years of a 1947 Lincoln Continental Convertible. Oh my goodness, talk about a rare car. Give you more details in but a moment. Well, greetings and salutations from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition. It is a full-blown Classic Car Club of America classic car. She is a full classic, a 1947 Lincoln Continental Convertible. Talk about a rare car. You're going to want to watch this video from start to finish, give you all the details. We'll do a walk around, a cold start, give you all the information on this car. Now you can also click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to our website and all the information, pricing and everything on this car as well. Plus you'll have access to over 100 classic and collectible vehicles we currently have on our sales floor here at Ellingson's. Remember that website, www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Well, let's get into the crux of the matter here. 1947, beautiful car. I mean, talk about, 1939, Edsel Ford was the idea. We wanted to come up with a real high-end product for the Ford Motor Company, kind of as their flagship, if you will. Well, this is certainly one of those examples, a little bit farther down from 39, but 47 has the V12 305 engine in it. Really is a good looking motor. Again, another reason to watch the videos from top to bottom. Look at all the pictures because we have all the details that you can look at under the hood. Just really well put together car. One owner for almost 50 years. So it's been in the hands of collectors for a long, long time. And like I said, the V8, it's got the 3-speed transmission, which of course there were no automatics in the Ford products quite at this time in these cars, but this is just a really, really nice example. Beautiful color, pace car yellow. I believe that's what they call this color. It's very, very nice, looks really good. Chrome work on this car is also exceptionally nice. Don't you just love the wide white walls? To me, I think that sets off all these cars in terms of overall appearance and looks or whatever, with the hubcaps, chrome beauty ring and whatnot, and they make sure to let you know that that is a Lincoln. It says it right there in case you forgot what it was. So if you pulled up to the car at the stoplight, Lincoln Continental. And of course it has the famous Continental kit, which is where Lincoln Continental came from, the Continental kits. Beautiful car all the way around. Still love the air conditioning. No air conditioning per se in 1947 for the Lincoln Continentals, but you pull the vent, you get a little fresh air into the engine compartment or into the passenger compartment. It does have a power top and power windows as well, which is, again, it was one of those top of the line cars for these guys at the time. They only made 738 of these. So if you're looking for a kind of a rare car to add to your collection, you want something that, probably not many people have ever seen or whatnot, by golly, we've got one sitting right here on the sales floor. Now you can call us anytime, 763-428-7337, and we will do our best to answer any and all questions you may have on this car or any of our other inventory. You can also go to Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and now even TikTok. Give us a like, leave us a comment or subscribe. We appreciate that very much. It will give you access to all the information on this car, our current inventory, and as an added bonus, cars that we've sold in the last several years as well. So if you're looking for something really neat to spend some time on, check out those websites and whatnot and look at some of the stuff that we currently have in inventory. As I stated earlier, this is a full-blown classic. This is considered a classic car with the Oxblood Red leather interior, the canvas black top, Continental kit. I mean, this car is really got all the bells and whistles that you're looking for in a car. Think of 1947, right after World War II. People were still looking for really unique cars, and designs are starting to get more futuristic and more what we would consider regular looking cars, if you will. Now, if you're like me, You're going to say, you know, Scott, I really love the video. It gives us some good information. Nice to hear the car run, all those certain things. But I want to come and look in person. Well, by golly, you're more than welcome to come on down to Ellingson's. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 to 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4 Central Standard Time, of course, if you want to call us. Yes, come on down. We'd love to have you come and take a look at it in person, hands-on touch. Now, say you're going to say, I need to buy the car and I want to ship it to someplace in the United States or wherever, we can assist with that as well. Say you need some help with financing. The collector car world is a unique animal, to say the least. We have several nice venues and sources that we can lead you on to that will help you get the financing done for your collectible car, the car of your dreams. Maybe it's your first one, maybe it's your 100th car. Ellingson Motorcars has a great variety of cars on our sales floor at all times. Lots of stuff for all varying tastes, 1920s to over cars in the 2000s and whatnot. So we always have a wide variety of things for you. Nope, 1947 V12, man, that's really a pretty special automobile, to say the least. Give us a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions. One little other tidbit of fact, I always recommend, if you buy a specialty marque such as a Lincoln Continental or any of that sort of stuff, join the National Club. They're always looking to get contact with the people who have these cherished cars, and it's also a good place for you to get information, camaraderie with the people that have the same taste and love of your old cars like you do. I always recommend join those clubs or whatever. They're a good thing to do. Well, with that being said, I thank you again for watching our video. Hopefully, if you have any questions on this particular car, we're more than happy to answer them. Or if you have any other questions related to the old car world, that's what Ellingson Motorcars is. And remember our website, ellingsonmotorcars.com. See you next time. Take care.
you.